Have you ever wondered what to do with these? Why not make some cactus or tuna stir fry? For the ingredients, we're gonna need 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken breast cut into strips, 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, 1/8 of a cup of chicken seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Italian dressing, 2 young cactus or tuna leaves. We're gonna also need some chili peppers, some fresh thyme leaves, bell peppers, diced onion, and finally some scallion slices. Season the chicken with the chicken seasoning. Then set aside until ready to use. Carefully remove the spines. You can actually use gloves while doing this to protect your hands, but because these are young leaves, they don't have a lot of spines in them. Cut in halves and then go ahead and cut into thin strips. Wash the vegetables and set aside until ready to use. Bring a pot of water to boil and blanch the vegetable strips for about 2 to 3 minutes. Go ahead and shot the vegetables into ice water to stop the cooking process. Remove from the ice water and set aside until ready to use. Heat the oil in a pan or a skillet over a medium-high heat. Add the chicken strips and cook for about 5 minutes. Add in the chili peppers. Add the onion dices. Toss everything together. Add the thyme leaves. Add the bell peppers and the scallions. Add the cactus or tuna strips. Toss everything together and allow it to cook for just about a minute. Toss in the vinegar and the salad dressing. Remove from the heat and serve with rice. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes.